Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from Chillkey. This is the Slice 68 HE standing from Hall Effect. It's a wired magnetic switch keyboard with a 68% layout. This is the box of it. Absolutely beautiful box. It comes with this sliding plastic bit right here. We have some info on the box right here. PCB 1.6mm non-flex cut, 68% layout, magnetic Hall effect, aluminum plate and wire connection, and it also supports Windows and Mac. The box is absolutely amazing, look absolutely great. On the side right here we have some details as well. So as you can see, this is how you open it. You open it from here, basically you just lift this up, and on the back we have a logo, branding, and pretty much that's it. I just love the silver design and all the custom stuff they've done with the box. I think it's absolutely great. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what to get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So let's go ahead and go through them. Let's start with the small stuff first. So we have a user manual right here. It has pictures, it has instruction, it will tell you everything you need to know about the keyboard. So I suggest you give this a read so you can understand what this keyboard can do, and obviously how to use it at its full potential. We have another card right here which tells us about the switch, flux wise switch, the preload, what type of magnet, magnetic flux, bottom housing, top housing, stuff like that. And this is the info in Chinese, I think, or Japanese. We have a ribbon cable right here. They included a spare ribbon cable. We have a braided USB type A to USB type C cable, which can be used to plug in the keyboard to any of your devices, for example from your laptop or your PC. And obviously we have the keyboard right here, which looks absolutely amazing with this red finish, red and white finish. It looks absolutely great. We have some metal inlays here as well, also looking great. On the back of the keyboard we have the exact same logo as used on the box. We have 4 rubber feet. Obviously everything is made out of aluminum. This inlay right here, it's a relief actually. It looks absolutely great. Not sure what this logo means, but it really matches the aesthetics of the keyboard. Having a look at the top, we have the USB Type-C port used to connect the keyboard in wire mode, and pretty much that's it with the box. Keyboard is looking absolutely amazing, and it also has a nice weight to it. As I said, it's made out of aluminum, so it's I think 1.5 kilos or something like that. Obviously the 68% layout, we still have some function keys right here: insert, page up, page down, and delete. Of course the arrow keys as well. And yeah, let's go ahead and put it to the test. So we're gonna connect it to our PC. We're gonna set everything up so you guys can get an idea of how everything looks like when it's fully set up. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks when it's all set up. Next to your setup, I really love the looks of the keyboard and the quality. It's absolutely amazing. We have this bottom RGB light bar right here, and obviously the whole keyboard has RGB, which can be customized. Again, read the manual, everything is in there. Super simple to set up. And if we check for responsiveness, for example, let's press the home key right here, the Windows home key. There is no input delay. It's absolutely great. And also the connection was pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just plug it in and it will work. It's basically plug and play, very simple to use. I'm gonna go ahead and get closer with my camera to the keyboard so you guys can hear the clicks that it makes when you type. Most of the people like this, so let's go ahead and do it. But bear in mind, this is not a mechanical keyboard, it's a magnetic switch keyboard, but it still sounds really, really good. So let's do it. Yeah, it sounds absolutely amazing. It's because of all of those layers that are in there. Obviously the aluminum makes a huge difference as well. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's how the keyboard looks, that's how it performs. Absolutely amazing Hall effect, especially for gamers. It's one of the best keyboards you can get. And if you guys want to buy it, I'm going to have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check their other products out. They have mouses, they have other types of keyboard. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.